Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So, अपना फर्स्ट कस्टम शूज़ को पोस्ट करने के बाद मैं उसके कमेंट्स पे रिप्लाई कर रहा था, तभी मुझे एक टेक्स्ट आया नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग के भाई सुनील लेगस्ट्रॉम से, एंड ही सेड कि उसको एक कस्टम शूज़ चाहिए गैलेक्सी थीम का, एंड ऑल्सो ही सेड ही कैनॉट पे इन कैश but rather he'll give me an acre of land on moon. So yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing. All the bad women in the building, man. There's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shot.
The shoes clean हो गया and it's time for airbrushing.
Tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, and I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy to live. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life. So I got this life. Hey, so let's drink. So I got yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it, and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know it's sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, then I lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hotter than the Arizona landscape. Guess I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you. With a guy like me, we could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots.
And मेरे यूनिट टेस्ट चल रहे हैं, तो अभी मेरा एक पेपर है, वो देने के बाद विल कंटिन्यू विद द शूज़, एंड हमारी एडिटर इज़ हेल्पिंग मी, एंड आई एम प्रेटी श्योर आई हैव फेल्ड दिस एग्ज़ाम. जस्ट किडिंग, ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम में थोड़ी कोई फेल होता है.
And now you got me sipping on this pint, and now you looking at me one last time, but I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind. I was just bugging on something, but you know I forgot it. How did you call up my feelings, so I had to go toss them. Hopeless romantic, you got me, say I know what I want. Betrayal, the lust of deceiving, and it's all that I got. Leave it all back in the past, yeah, I gotta give me this bag. Screw it, I'm back to the future, got DeLorean gas. Saw that she dropped in my DMs, so then I hit the dash. Asking if we can just be friends, no, I gotta get cash. Running it back to the stands, I got the jet of the move.
And already रात हो चुकी है, so it's time to sleep.
A few inches later.
And it's 3 AM in the morning and मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है. So yeah, let's continue with the shoes.
I was just going out slowly, I noticed she was out here looking for something.
Time to apply some matte finish to the shoes.
And now you got me sipping on this pint, and now you looking at me one last time, but I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind.
So the shoes is finally done. Tapes off, laces on. Enjoy the reveal.